on. Welcome to another video on the Civic. I'm going to go and close the boot now. Alright, so in this video we're going to be giving the car just a hoover. It's a bit dirty, it needs a nice clean, yeah. But it ain't going to escalate in any way possible. It escalated, didn't it? Yeah. I was just maybe hoovering the car out, giving it a quick carpet clean. And now I'm taking the carpet out because it's just gonna clean better, which requires the bottom of the dash coming out. Oh boy, oh boy. But if anything, I think it's gonna be worth taking out the carpet. That's fucking. How the hell does it get that dirty, man? But yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, no, there's like a bracket for center consoles to come out. And yeah, there's fucking more bolts in there. Oh boy. Yeah, I'll get there. But didn't intend on this happening. Well, that's fucking filthy. Got some nice grime in the middle there, obviously. This side's alright, and I know why this side's alright, because I remember having the carpet out of it when it was getting welded. But this side, yeah, I'll give that a hoover. It's a bit manky, but we have it out. Well, I've just been beating on the back side of the carpet here for just literally 20 seconds. Right, there's a clean part of the bench. What the actual fuck is going on? It's sand. Look at all that. Oh, sand, man. I ain't got where the stink's coming from. Bench. Look at that. Look at that. That is disgusting. Oh no, I can feel the rain now. But yeah, it's looking better. So here's my process when it comes to cleaning interiors and stuff like that. First of all, obviously start off with the hoover. The hoover is essential. Then I like to grab the carpet cleaner. A little boy. We spray it down with water first. We spray our cleaner on, and then we scrub scrub the cloth, get it nice and soppy. And then the last part, the most important part, is the extraction part. If you don't have one of these, obviously you can just spray a bit on, wipe it down and stuff like that, but honestly a carpet cleaner makes a better job because it's just extracting. Like, what you're trying to do when you clean stuff is get the dirt out, so you need to extract it. So that's where carpet cleaners come in. It's very handy. Alright, so I kind of wanted to do like some hair on the camera, kind of wanted to do half and half comparison. So I've not done the top half, but I've done the bottom half. And I mean, the camera's really exaggerating it, to be fair, but when you can play with it's like suede almost. This area is still quite dirty, to be fair, but I mean, this side, yeah. This is blue. This area is blue. This is like blue with white bits in it. Well, silver, let's say. You can see the silvery bits more there. And that is brown with some more brown and a bit of grey. Now you might see me, I'm cleaning all these seats, carpets. You might see like products like the Autoglym bottle in the background. But actually I want to really do a video on this at some point. But this is like all my like, not cheap hacks, but like my hacks. Because I hate buying products that are just rubbish. Like, I kind of like this one, but I've bought a lot of other Autoglym products that are just rubbish. So this isn't actually Autoglym. This is just Star Drops. I never heard about it before until my mum got it one day, and I started using it in the cars, and it's just an all-purpose cleaner, but God, it's good. Yeah, a bottle of this is like £7 in the UK. It's like very liquid consistency, so like, yeah, you just mix it with water. So instead of spending like £7 on a bottle of Autoglym interior cleaner, just get something like this and just use that. So that's what I use on like all the panels and stuff like that, the seats, stuff like that. But if I got something that's really dirty, really manky, I just get the washing powder on it. Yep, but simple as that. Don't waste your money on all these rubbish products. But yeah, no, I need to do a video on that, because there's stuff like wheel cleaners and stuff like that, like brands that I actually like, and they're like decent, because there is so much rubbish on the market. You ain't allowed to smell no more. Alright, so that's the first pass. Use the washing up powder. Give it a good scrub with a brush. And a lot of stuff's came out, to be fair. I mean, you can't really see it. Wait, no, it should have filmed me pressure washing it, but yeah, pressure washer just helps flood it and get it all out that way. Gonna go get the cleaner around the edges now, because I didn't get them very well. So I'll get that done. Then we'll see what it looks like after that. But I mean, it looks darker obviously because it's wet, but I know bits up in here need a good scrubbing. Only sucked half of it. Yep. Crazy considering it's been flooded out as well. Nice. Alright, so now it's been a few months since I've put the car back together anyways, and when I was putting the rear seats back in, there was also a full sand castle in there as well, so it got the bench treatment as well, along with the carpet. The car was owned by some old people before us, and they apparently took the dogs everywhere in these back seats. And apparently they also took the sand castles home with them because there was sand everywhere. I don't understand. Well, sand gets everywhere, you know, everybody knows that. But like there was a lot of sand. The car didn't come with floor mats, so I put the Vitz floor mats in from the Yaris's, and to be fair, it actually looks pretty good and it fits reasonably well. Sometimes I have a moan and I throw the driver's one at the back because like my foot's not sitting the right bit, but I've got used to it now. Floor mats really make a massive difference in a car. I don't know what it is. Like, when you've not got floor mats in a car, it doesn't feel right, but when you got the floor mats in the car, it feels good. So even though these aren't the actual genuine Civic ones, they're actually a pretty good fit. Goes with the grey. I really like the pattern on the Vitz ones. That was a really good find all them years ago, so it was. As well as doing the carpet cleaning and stuff like that on the seats and all that, I'm kind of annoyed because the seats still don't look that good. They could look as if they could do another run of the carpet cleaner, but yeah, it just is what it is. They are 30-year-old and they got used very, very well. So everything else just got a good wipe down as well. I used Star Drops for that, and on the leathers, because there's actually, well, these are vinyl in the back, but there's leather on the door cards. It might be vinyl, and there's some leather on the dash as well. There's that kind of 90s leather. It's the same as what's in the MR2 actually, but I used the Autoglym leather cleaner on it because it smells really good. It smells really nice. I do constantly think about making a video on car products that are just like, I just feel like there's a lot of stupid car products that are a waste of money, and I feel as if like I need to make a video on what I like to use and save you time, because everybody loves that feeling of going out and getting a car product, like a nice new one. They're like, oh, I can't wait to use this. Turns out it's rubbish, and then you're using it for like, you're just like,
you don't really want to use it, but you're using it because you spent the money on it. I've got some car cleaning products that I swear by, that I love to bits, and yeah, so I kind of want to make a video on that at some point. If you want a video like that, give it a shout. Leave a comment. Things I want to do in the interior, there's not actually that much. I quite like the interior as it is, but this driver's seat is just not very supportive, so at some point I want to get one of my bucket seats in here, but I need a set of rails in order to do that, so I'm probably going to end up, I think I might try and make them, because I like to be handy that way. I like engineering products, and I mean 5mm bit of flat bar and just make a box basically that you can bolt into, then put your slider rail on it. It needs to be a slider rail because other people need to use this car as well. So yeah, it's been a few months since I did all that work. I've used the car, so yeah, it's a nice place to be. It's clean, sterile, no sandcastles, I don't think, but yeah. Right, I hope you found this interesting, because it was actually kind of interesting for me, because usually I just hoover a car and it's fine, but this actually took a lot more work than usual, so I had to pull all my stops out, like the for instance, pressure washing a carpet, like that's something a bit different that probably not a lot of people do, but it like actually gets in there so much better and does a better job of cleaning. Like if you could take the carpet out, then you might as well pressure wash it. You just got to make sure you get a place to dry it for that time. So if you guys like this video, if you want to see that video on the car cleaning stuff, leave a comment. But yeah, no, that's it for this video anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one, which is probably going to be another one on this Civic. Although I need to make one about the Volvo. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching.
Not going back in the boot again. God.